I'm navigating Norway's staggering scenes, however would prefer not to take the 2018 Range Rover Velar rough terrain. It's not ability I'm stressed over, however I'll concede the street one-sided 22-inch circles and 40 arrangement tires give me delay. Or maybe, it's the look of the thing I mean. Have you seen it? From the delicate scope of its domed hood to the exquisite circular segment of its roofline, don't worry about it, my analyzer's rich ivory inside. Range Rover's first average-size SUV is a stunningly appealing example, a 5-situate relax on wheels that influences contenders to like the Porsche Macan and BMW X4 look like Automoblox. Interestingly, it doesn't help that it's done in Flux Silver, a trap silk complete accessible just on the priciest of dealers, the $89,300 first edition. In the end, I answer the obligation at hand and hit the trail. You know, for science. Officer Rover says the new Velar fills the void area between the Evoque and the Range Rover Sport. I don't know why that space is white, but rather estimate savvy the new game ute comes nearer to its bigger stablemate, estimating just shy of 2 inches shorter than the Sport yet an entire 17 inches longer than the Evoque. Riding on a changed F-pace undercarriage that has been strengthened for rough terrain obligation, Velar is controlled by a 247 torque, 4-barrel turbo gas motor, $49,900, a 180 HP 4-chamber turbo diesel, $56,200, or a 380 HP supercharged V6, $64,200. Not at all like other maturing Land Rover stages, there's a mess of originality to Velar's look and feel. However, you'll discover comparative adaptations of its powertrains in different autos, similar to the supercharged V6 in the F-Type and Discovery. Supporting Velar's topic of carefully straightforward ability is a data design that doesn't require such a significant number of sub-menus. You'll be reviling the day simple measures and controls passed by the wayside. With 2 turning dials filling in as multifunction controls and another little dial going about as a volume/control switch, the framework doesn't excessively depend on the touch screens, or diving profound into submenus to achieve generally errands. While there is absolutely a remark missed with the loss of simple-to-achieve switches, catches and dials, the Velar's hardware interface puts forth a solid defense for an overcome computerized future. Slaughter the Velar's motor, and its various TFT shows go from energetic shading to clear dark slates, a frightful tangible move that is much the same as how an iPhone 7's haptic home catch dulls to an inert surface when it's been turned off. Indeed, Velar depends on innovation to connect with its tenants. In any case, in any event in the best trim level we tried, that bit of glimmer is sponsored by genuine extravagance and smooth driving progression. There's likewise those difficult to overlook region of styling, where Velar stands separated on account of its perfect extents and striking modest representation of the truth. I can't represent the more earthly gas and diesel forms, which begin at around $50,000, however my completely stacked analyzer roused a feeling I seldom connect with brandish utility vehicles, need.
Subscribe, like, share and comment.